Hi there, my name's Henry Olson from Super Simple Guitar, and I want to welcome you to this beginner guitar masterclass. If you're tired of going through YouTube only to find videos that are too hard for you, or you can't see the guitar properly, or you're not really sure whether the teacher knows what they're talking about at all, and you're looking for a step-by-step structured course that's going to take you by the hand and note by note, then this is exactly what you're going to be getting in this course. I'm going to be teaching you starting from beginner level up to playing your first songs, your first solos. I'm going to be teaching you how to improvise. I'm going to be teaching you how to master the fretboard in a very, very easy and effective way. So that way you're going to have learning in a way that you can digest and where it kind of progresses. So all you have to do is sit down, turn on your device of choice, whether it's a phone, iPad, computer, and I'm literally going to take you step by step in digestible pieces. So that way you're always going to know exactly what you have to be practicing, and you're going to slowly, based on mastering that lesson, get the next lesson, okay? So it's very, very structured and it's very building. So I'm always helping you build on the blocks and the foundation that we already laid. You don't get that from YouTube. This course also has what I call playback, video playback. And what that is after I've taught you a tune, you are going to be able to play a video of me playing that with a drum track. So that way you're going to have musical practice, you're going to have the visual of watching me play it, and you're also going to be able to download that drum track. So you're going to have a video of me playing to the drums, and you're going to have a standalone drum track. And that way, you're really, really going to have a very fun and very effective practice routine, okay? I also have tabs for all of the song lessons. We're going to be learning the styles of some really popular legendary songs, and we're also going to be learning some really cool licks because I'm going to be teaching you to play solo guitar as well. And what you're going to be able to do there is download the tabs and then again go to that play along and be able to play along with me, okay? It's really cool. And another really great thing about the play along is that I have it in 2 speeds. So it's going to start off really slow. That way you can get your fingers used to playing it, you can kind of get a feeling for it. And then in the second video, in the second play along video, I speed it up. And that way you're going to be able to really grow based on your previous practice sessions, right? It's very, very fun and structured learning that way. Very, very effective. I try this on my real life students and it works really, really well. You're also going to be getting my 42-page picture chord book included in this course. So that way you're going to have all the chords written down on paper really nicely, and you're going to be able to follow along with ease. It's going to be so much fun and so easy for you to follow along, really. I mean, this course, I put so much thought and time into planning out this course. It's just going to be so great for you to just breeze through it, all right? I can't wait for you to join. Of course, the course also comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you're not happy with all those tabs and drum tracks and play-alongs and lessons that I gave you in this course, you can get a full refund within 30 days and keep all of that extra material as well, okay? Because you can download it to your computer. All right, so that's just scratching the surface of what you're going to learn in this course. I'm going to take you from zero to hero. You're going to be playing solo guitar. You're going to be playing famous songs. You're going to have tablature. You're going to have drums. You're going to have backing tracks. Literally, this course is what you need to grow, and it's going to be fun and effective, and believe me, you will love it. So I highly encourage you to take this opportunity. Normally, this is the amount of material that I'd go over with the one-on-one student for probably a year. So you get to get this course for just $200, and normally if you paid me for a year, you'd probably pay me about $2,000, right? So you're saving a lot of money here. And again, there's that 30-day money-back guarantee. I am a very experienced teacher here on Udemy as well. I have 14, 15 courses, 30,000 students, I don't know, 600 positive reviews. My average is 4.6 out of 5. So I'm a very, very experienced teacher, both here on Udemy and also with one-on-one students. I teach one-on-one students in my studio on a daily basis, and I have been for the last 5 years. So definitely this is a win-win situation for you. The only way you can lose is if you don't join. So I highly recommend joining the course. You won't regret it. And I'll see you inside. Let's start playing some rock. See you there. Bye-bye.